Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to turn context off on Instagram. So let's just begin. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to come inside our Instagram profile, and after that you can see the three lines as the icon at the top right side on our profile. So we have to tap on that, and in here you can see the option of account center. So we have to tap on that again, and now if you scroll down, you will be able to see the option of your information and permissions. So we have to tap on that, and from here you can see the option of upload context. So I'm going to simply tap on that again, and from here you can see the option of connect context. So if you don't want to connect with your contacts, you can simply disable this option, and this would automatically turn off your contacts on the Instagram. So this is how you can turn context off on Instagram. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.